So today guys, I will teach you on how to install Windows Server 2022 using VirtualBox and create an Active Directory domain. First of all, we need to go on this website. We will choose the download the ISO. After that, you need to complete the form to continue and click download now. And just choose the ISO downloads 64-bit edition and just wait for it to download. Now that we already have the ISO file, let's move to the next step, which is opening our VirtualBox Manager. Click New, name it however you like. On the ISO image, select the drop-down and Other. Now, navigate the ISO file that we downloaded earlier. Uncheck the Proceed with Unattended Installation. On the OS version, select the latest Windows Server that is available to you. Next is specify virtual hardware. I will allocate the RAM size into 4096 and on the number of CPUs is just 3. Then click Finish. Now we already have our Windows Server 2022. So click Start. I'm okay with this setting, so I will just click Next. But if you want to use other language, feel free to adjust those settings based on your personal preferences. And click Install Now. Select Windows Server 2022 Data Center, Evaluation, Desktop Experience. Since this version has a GUI, and click Next. Just accept the license key and click Next. Now we will choose Custom and click Next. And now we will wait for the installation. Now create a strong password. Click Finish. Now we successfully installed Windows Server 2022. This says press Ctrl Alt Delete to unlock. In order to unlock that, just click on Input, Keyboard, and insert Ctrl Alt Delete. And now put your password. And this is our server manager. To add an Active Directory, click Manage, Add Roles and Features, click Next, Role-based or feature-based installation, click Next. Just make sure you got the correct server selected and click Next. Check the Active Directory domain services and click Next. And install. Click Promote this server to a domain controller, and on the configuration wizard, click Add a new forest. Create a domain name. Set a DRSM password. Click Next. And just click Next. On NetBIOS, I will just leave it as default. And on the paths, I will also just leave them as default. Just click Next. And now that all prerequisites checks passed successfully, and now we will click Install. The server is now booted and we've logged in as a domain administrator. And now, to check our Active Directory, just go to Tools, Active Directory Users and Computers, and now as we can see that the Active Directory is installed, and on domain controllers as well as the built-in users and groups. That's it for this tutorial, guys. Bye bye.